Are you getting married? Oh, is how I collaborate. First PR pack and sunlight. Oh my god. What? I'm confused. Oh, no. It's on my. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, obviously I'm going to be answering all the questions that you guys asked me on the Instagram, and let's do some makeup while we also chat. Of course, I'm going to use the same toner. In Goa, it's scorching heat, so I just don't feel like doing any kind of makeup these days. I'm at home also, and even if I'm stepping like outside, I will not like consider doing makeup, which is fine. So yeah, let's take the first question. I have everything here. So what's happening? So now I'm at home mostly, not traveling anywhere because of the ongoing things. It's really scary, but I'm really proud. I'm highly grateful and highly thankful to the Indian Army and what they have been doing since the past few days and how they are like protecting us. They are the real heroes, of course. It's really heavy actually to think also what the Pakistan has been doing all over these years, and it is still continuing. But I think Indian Army was the real power heroes, and I salute every one of them. Thank you so much. Apart from that, I am at home just enjoying, just actually not doing much, just relaxing. That's it. The next one says how I collaborate. Most of the time, to be really honest, the brands only have reached out to me on Instagram in my DMs. I remember I've done Period Panty, which was a paid collab, which was my first paid collab actually. It was a very small amount but for me it was like a big deal. Mostly it is barter at times, but I do it because I am still about to reach like 10k. If I am willing to do it, if I am liking the whole concept and the products and the idea behind it, I truly go for it. Like ask them if they are ready to collaborate on paid basis, but mostly they will stick to only barter collabs because you are kind of a micro influencer, and it also depends on your reach and how well you are doing, like consistently posting. I think only one thing about the barter collabs is that they expect a lot from you, so I just try to like talk to them first, like what are the things that I'll be delivering, what are the changes, how many times the video can be re-edited or reviewed. So yeah, those are the things that I was not doing earlier, but then I saw one video when one content creator was telling that if it is a barter collab, make sure that you make it clear to them what you are going to deliver, how many days it will take for you to also like deliver the content, and where else you are going to post it. So yeah, I'm just following these simple things. I only got like one paid collaboration, which was the Period Panty thing from Azak Hair, and then they reached out to me again for the second one, and then they increased the paid amount, which was like 1,000 rupees, something like that. But I obviously took the opportunity. I always thought of like grabbing the opportunities that comes my way if they are like authentic and if they like match my vibe and match my style of content. The next question is your first PR package experience. So recently, as I posted, I received my first PR from a brand called Sam. They are curating skincare specifically for teens. As they had launched some of their products, they had sent a PR, which I was also not aware that I'll be getting a huge box. And when they reached out to me on DMs, I just felt like they are like sending me some of their products, like one or two, but then it was like a box thing. And then I was like, what, did I receive my first PR package? That was the moment. I was overwhelmed. I was like very happy. It was really nice when like brands recognizes your work, which you have been putting a lot of hard work into. So yeah, it was a great feeling. I am looking forward to many more, and I also remembered instantly that that thing was on my vision board this year. If you all haven't seen that video, check that video out. Wanted to collaborate a lot this year. I wanted to like be on the PR list, is the same statement which I had made, and then it happened. I'm highly grateful. The next question is about my friends. One of you guys have asked me to pick one of the best from the girl gang. Seriously, I cannot pick any like one because they all have like different versions. We all are very different from each other. Everyone is having their own personality, and I literally cannot like choose one of them. They have like different way of working out things. For me, they are like my therapist. Everyone will give different kind of advices, but then I will eventually do what I had already decided. So the next question is, why did you stop creating reels with Viraj? I knew this was coming because in my DMs also, it just happened that I was quite busy, and since my like work schedule is 1 to 6, was not able to give my time. It was fun actually when I started doing reels with him. That was like total another side of me, fun side, which got a little bit of exposure on the reels. It was really fun. We used to have a lot of fun when we used to shoot. We are soon going to do, I hope so. I cannot wait to create all that fun content on Instagram. The next question is, how do you manage job plus YouTube? Seriously, it's not easy. Like, it's very, very difficult, and that's why I was not active the whole April month, because it was like the toughest month. I was doing a lot of result work, a lot of academic year work, and then at home also I used to do the same thing, and also to like create content. Obviously I need to have my mind relaxed, fresh and everything, which I was not having. I was pretty exhausted by the end of the days, and that is why it was really difficult, and I was not able to do it most of the time. I was also feeling like guilt of not recording anything. Many like negative thoughts popping up in my mind regarding this. Being here is also kind of a full-time job, because you have to film, you have to think about the ideas, you have to then give a separate time to editing and everything, which I love honestly. But then managing both the things like together, and being a teacher, not everyone's cup of tea. I really understand that, and I've understood it more in the month of April. It's not easy, but if you are passionate, if you really want to do it, you will take out your time, you will do it. And yeah, that is why actually I was so happy, because it will be like 1 month vacation at home doing this pretty little job, which I really love. The next question is, tell your favorite part about summers. Honestly, in one word, I can answer this question: the mangoes. Yes, you heard it right. I am a big time mango eater. I can have them like all day throughout. Recently, obviously, it gave me a lot of pimples, but then I was like, anyways, it's not going to come back soon. I did not care about it. Like, on a really serious note, I was having pimples all over here. Otherwise, I'm not like a summer season fan, because obviously the Goa heat kills you. It's very sweaty and I do not love it. Mangoes currently is my weakest point. I love pink color on my eyes. Then the next question, do your parents support you? I think they are like my biggest supporters. Like, my mom, the other day, she was like watching my Instagram, and she was literally asking me, what is this pose? And it's a boomerang, and she was literally like teasing and like cracking jokes on me. Along with my dad, he will go and tell his friends to like subscribe to my channel. They love when I post dance videos, when I do like this talking kind of videos. They enjoyed the most. She also reviewed, you could have done this, you could have done that. So she gives a lot of her input in my videos, which is the best part. Your experience with Paradise. So I had reached out to them. They sent me that ruby color. That was like my first good experience with hair colors. Previously also I had colored my hair, but they were all failure. With Paradise it still is. Actually, it was like semi-permanent hair color, but I don't know how, for some reason my hair still has that hint of color, which I love. Even on internet I'd seen mixed reviews about it. In my case, it did not harm me in any other way. The inner corners. Oh, the next question is, are you getting married anytime soon? So addressing this, I'm not getting married anytime soon, but any sort of things, any wedding news, whatever it is, I'm going to record it. Obviously, I want to record every bit of it. Like, it's going to be the most happiest day of my life. So the next question is, what's your diet? To answer that in the correct way, I don't have a proper diet. Like, I thought about it a lot of times, like have like a proper diet and everything, but I am not able to keep a track of like diet situation. Mostly I try to eat healthy, try to avoid junk most of the time. My weakness would be pastries or ice creams. I just had ice cream cone last night. So the next question is, your favorite store to shop? So recently I've been visiting a lot website store. It's killing it, literally killing it. I'm not just saying because it's trending on the reels and everything, everyone is kind of talking about it, but I've gone there, I've seen it myself, and the best part is that I'm so impressed with the men's section. The pants, it's so comfy. So my brother owns one of their brown shirts, so mostly I'm wearing it on top of my t-shirts, which looks super cool. To use this, it looks good. Let's take a few last questions. Is face shaving necessary? So it is not necessary. It is completely upon you. And I was nervous. I always had a thought of like giving it a try. It was a great experience, but it is not like compulsory. Of course, it is your choice. Nothing happened. I obviously had researched a lot before doing it. I was left with pretty smooth, no like thicker hair growth. I made sure that I am moisturizing my face. I am not applying any makeup right after like removing the hair. You have to give your skin rest. Take the last question. Why don't you vlog? I mean, to be really honest, there's nothing like fun or nothing like special happening in life right now. Everything is pretty much same. I don't have anything new to show it to you guys. When the fun things happen, I make sure to take out my phone, record every bit of it. Vlogging actually makes me happy because it doesn't only for the YouTube, but it's also like for my memories. Actually, it's like a documentation of my life. And with that, we have come towards the end of this video. I hope I've answered all the questions well. Hope it was fun for you guys to watch this video. If you did watch this video up till here, please do not forget to share this video, like this one. It will mean the world to me. And do not forget to subscribe, of course, because we are so close hitting 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I cannot wait for that day. Because I remember I've celebrated my 10 subscribers. I've also celebrated my 100 subscribers because I have always counted every bit of it, and I cannot wait to see that figure. Let's connect over Instagram, and I'll see you soon in the next video very soon. Until then, bye.